You know, I can't tell we promote you know, all the time. Tell us who's there. Yeah, remember TV, whatever, sir. Look at the choice.
For them man, they run to me a time. They can't phone ring and the bell got ding dong. And no time them bout to the queen.
Hey man, better way you look fine now.
For my land.
Yeah.
So we know all of them are run to me. Next to one in the ghetto region. I know not education. So what a
them style I was doing that China.
And you me a talk virtual white man. Me a talk virtual white man. Poor people govern and respect the man. Yeah. You set a foundation.
Just say something like that. Documentary. Tell us show them. Remember when we show them our box up when they say, alright then, boom. Shut too much. The big bag of out that shit. A big bag of out that shit. The big bag of out that shit. You ready tonight? Mr. Bundle. Doing the crystal. What going on here? Throw my boxes in them here. Come on, Everything's by the same way, yeah? Come on, shoes there! You don't go up to the time! You don't know TV on the ground, you don't go! What a jungle run! Come on, shoes there!
clothes for your posse.
Wow.
My five.
Just take time to represent, man. Hello, children.
Give them the dance.
Of the dance.
Give them the dance. Of the dance.
Give them the dance. Let me play with you.
From you up on up to can I get a box?
Look at the woman from Mossy. Our partner.
From you up on up to can I get a box? Let me get a box.
You know, us boy we are like Kino. Some boy we love Jackson. And Doctor. Ready?
Maybe I got it.
November, look out for it here. How much more is your Jungle's party? So we said, there I'm going to pull it, big mama. That's why I say, from South Street today, right? Oh, and fuck ya.
Tuesday, January 7th, every Tuesday night, outside. Manara Ballman, Chris Brown, outside. Yeah, for real. It goes up. outside. Dallas Tuesday. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Outside, see them? America go on, everything on. Jamaican style, them fi know. Them think we are joke of foreign. Jamaican out. Jamaican and English. So them fi know. We outside and we are no jerk. Dallas Tuesday. Outside. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Outside. Bass. Jamaican Life Abroad. Abroad. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Subscribe, you know. Please and thanks. Subscribe and like and share.
Like and share.
Yeah, Jamaican Life Abroad TV. I mean, big rolling. Boss out. Every Tuesday night he represent. The boss represent every Tuesday night. Outside. You know what I mean? Boss and represent. Yeah. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Respect and, you know what I mean? Like, share and subscribe. Please and thanks. Jamaican Life Abroad TV.
Suck him to your grandfather. Put him on mine. One thing you can't stop. I grew up and say, yeah. Smoking continue, I ain't getting no extra time, so please take it outside. No smoking inside here. Creep up on the garden. You got everything up there. So genius.
on my bed.
You gotta look good in real life. Slow motion.
Loving this
Right up in your belly, girl. Slow motion.
love is intoxicating.
Little bit more. Wine, wine.
When Vanilla on the wall, about that flip away and we know the car. When we go, you know them people want to talk. We stop before we pop. We look at show the full of figure. Why? Just say the mood. Nah, like me could do something new. We slow it down and we got people.
Why them chat?
That we need glue. So let me express my gratitude.
See you there.
Loving this you know me feel like
Sexy girl, full of curves. All of your body,
You gotta make shit forward. You gotta look who's faster. You gotta wanna come up and start with him. Come on, boy. She give me a 90 tone. What does she know I'm for? What now? Say want it.
you got the good pussy.
You gotta put the good vagina.
You know that you drive me crazy. Yes, I want it. You got the good pussy.
Man, I help you.
Can I plant it?
The money the girl.
Most wanted. Can you tell me you pussy come here to feel like out of my basket? Come here like if I started. Somebody made the most wanted. And if you want to fuck off and you me girl, make them bomb them.
Say the boy, yeah, fuck you.
Tell them pussy fat is like a fast. Fuck around and give her that action. No say girl a wicked but not alright. Believe only girl is like your cat. I'll show you know how I need that way. Maybe show you start the cocky market. I'm in trust the girl you are my angel. You must come over and bring me.
You the boy, yeah, talk about.
She ain't style, she ain't style.
place to go. Are you? Talk about your body, girl. Look up, girl. Alright then. Marcus Bob do my place now. Turn one call up to my know the code. Fine one.
All over the world. Big up.
Someone who are up there when you're like that. I jump off like rocket. You get them a come here.
Jamaican Life Abroad TV. The last Tuesday. That's what it is like. Yeah. Big request to everybody. Yeah. Big up all subscribers. Yard and abroad. Anyone who is in the world. Gonna subscribe to Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Big up on yourself. Yeah. Request. Yeah, Sergum. We out here and we are doing it. Yeah. Another night by Angela's Tuesday. People. Like, subscribe. Yeah. And share. And we out here every night I do it. We are doing it for the people. No doubt about it. Big request to everybody. Outside. Yeah. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Like and subscribe. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Jamaican Life Abroad TV. YouTube. You want to say something?
Yeah, big up all the Bermuda students.
Alright, Bermuda. We out. Big up all Bermuda fans. Cause we're there. Yeah, no doubt about it. Me not see really Bermuda tonight. But him out. Yeah, Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Big respect to every Bermuda, every Jamaican, all over the world we are respect. Yeah, Caribbean we say, every Caribbean. Jamaican.
Big up all the girls. The girl that come and pick on the door, go up in the air. Those of the other are just rules. I mean, I'm calling it just unruly. No fun time to tell us the close clean now. There's a winter time now. And close them on seal. So everybody must come out clean. When we step out. Rock this road, when we step out.
Thanks for watching Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Please like, share, and subscribe.